Hey DIY decorators! There are only a couple of things in this world that I love more than donuts. One is shopping at Ikea, and the other is the designer Piero Fornasetti. If you watch my channel, I always do a bunch of Fornasetti inspired projects. Well, today on Make Your Mark, we are doing an Ikea hack and creating a Fornasetti chair with an inexpensive Ikea chair. Are you curious? Are you ready? Here's what you'll need. Even if you have mismatched chairs, using this technique will give you an amazing set. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I promise to get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you next week. Bye!